Hey, hello everyone, welcome to Aerobal Labs channel. So in this video we have learned about our studio course lesson number 6 loops with a Scrat. So let's start it. As you know we have done almost our lesson number 5th. So start lesson number 6. So here you have given the instructions. Help the Scrat across the slippery ice to get to the acron. So okay, let's start. So we will just use this any of block and finish it our task. So here I am choosing some blocks to finish our puzzle number 1. So for that here I have to be choose this one repeated blocks and putting this value will be 5s and choose this one E and block drag it here, and now seeing our results. As you know we have to be click on this run button. You are able to see? Yes, it's done. It's completely done. So as you know, for the step second or puzzle second, for that we have to be click on this continue option. So continue option we have clicked it and we get our puzzle number second. Okay, here also use the both W and the S block. So we have to use both of block. You have given instructions on your offsites. You are able to see. First we have to be just repeat it block, drag it here, and then we have to be just drag it this one block W, and then this south, again this one block. You can duplicate here also, and seeing a result. As you know, click on this run button. See, our program is running. It's done. It's completely done. Go ahead for the puzzle number third. Click on these continue options. On the puzzle number 3 you have given the sums video, so we just click on this continue button. So go. Let's start our puzzle number 4th coding. So you can get to the acron with just one W code it's using. Here you have given instructions on your websites. So let's start it. First we have to be drag repeated block here and give it the repeated value will be 5th. You have instructions key, you can use W this one block only for one time. So we just drag it here and go ahead for seeing our results. As you know we have to be click on the run button. It's done. We have completed our puzzle number 4th also. Now go ahead for the puzzle number 5th. Yes, here you have also add a one more block, given instructions upsides. You can able to see. I am just reading that. Add a one more block to get the Scrat all the way to the acrons. So completed acrons. To complete the acron we have to one more add a blocks. Okay, so here I am adding a one more block is this one block added here, and we will not change any of value here. As you know I am putting just seeing our results. So click here, run this run button. It's completely done our puzzle number 5th. Go ahead for the puzzle number 6. For her, so we have to be click on the options given continue, and also you have instructions on our websites. Can you add a loop to get to the acrons? We have to be adding a loop. Okay, so I am just duplicating this one blocks and drag it here, and I just deleted this one block. Here we have to be add this one block W. Okay, fine. Now seeing our results. As you know we have to be click on this run button. Yes, it's able. Yes, it's done completely. So go ahead for the puzzle number 6. Sorry, puzzle number 7. We have completed our 6, so we just completed now 7 also. We have drag some blocks and completed our task. first read the instruction you have given your upside. Scrat literally want that acrons. Okay, so Scrat is want acrons, so we just using block and complete our task. So for that, first we have to be click this drag this repeated block and putting the value will be 4. Okay, then just put this one block you have only for the one times you have given here. Now I'm just duplicating this repeated block and drag it here. Now here I'm changing and drag this one block. Again I'm just choosing this repeated block and drag here, and also this one block, and okay, it's done. Our block part is done. Now see results. So click on this run button. I have given a left set. Yes, the Scrat is going to want to be acrons. So yes, it's completed. Puzzle number 7. Go ahead for the puzzle number 8. Here also you have give it. We will just add some changes here. So here we have to be just seeing our results. Let's see. Click on this run button. Our Scrat, can you fix this code? Yes, I'll fix it, and you have given instructions. Now I'm click on this run button and see the results. It's not working. So we have to be finishes some code. So here we have changes some values of repeated. Okay, I'm changing here to be a 5th repeated value. Second step will be 5th, and then all are 4th. Now see again, reset and click on this run button. Now see our results is working or not. I am just changing fixed some code and changing here repeated value, here 5. It's done. So have you got how it's running? Very good. Then go ahead for the lesson number go ahead for the puzzle number 8. Puzzle number 9. So puzzle number 9 also we have to be drag some blocks and choosing this repeated block, drag it here and again duplicate it and drag it, duplicate it. Here you have to be duplicated 4 times. Okay, duplicated blocks we have to be take 4 times. Now go ahead for the next step. We will just we will just add this one block here, and now for the next we will just add this S1 block and drag it here, and again we will just choose this one block and drag here, and this one block and drag it here. Now seeing our results, as you know, we have to be click on this run button. It's our Scrat is running. It's quite simple, you can do it. I hope you getting how we are doing here. We have some error here, so I'm just fixing my error. Wait, here you have to be taken value not 5, we have changed value, it's 3. Okay, so again reset, and again we will click on this run button. As you know, our Scrat is running. Let's see our results is working or not. I hope this time is working. It's done. Okay, we have some changes code, and it's our program is finished. So now go ahead for the puzzle number 10. If you want to skip it, so you can do skip options, but if you want to do it, let's see. I'm ready. Let's do it. So here for that we have to be drag it this one repeated, and this one, and again repeated, but putting the repeated value will be changing here. I am changing you also. Putted value will be 2. Okay, now this one block and drag it here, Now again duplicate this repeated block and put the repeated block value will be 5. Okay, I am changing the repeated value. You can do also. Okay, now go ahead for the next is n and putting here. Now again repeated block, drag it here and changing the value will be 2. Okay, now next is w and drag it here. Now once more time we have to be drag this repeated value and putting the repeated value will be 5. Okay, and now go ahead for the next is s. Let's again, I'm checking my blocks are correct or not. You have to be give it here repeated value 5th and choose this one, and repeated value 2 and choose this one block w, and the repeated value will be 2. Repeated value will be 2 5 2. Here you have to be choose 5 and here you have to be choose 2. Okay, now once more time we have to be taken this duplicated repeated block and change with the 5. Okay, now here I am just checking my all the blocks are correct. Okay, done. I am just changing some value here. Okay, okay, then 5 2 5 2 5. Okay, here we have to be changed. Okay, let's see our results. So click on this run button. If you want to skip, you can skip this step. You have options, give it. If you want to skip it, so you can do it. Okay, but here you have, this is the optional step number 10 puzzle. So now go ahead for the continuous puzzle number 11. So puzzle number 11 also we have to be choose some blocks. Here you have to be choose a repeated block and drag it here and choose this repeated blocks value will be 4, putting a value 4 and choose this one block and drag it here. Help, first instruction what given, help a Scrat get to the front using a block and help to Scrat to get with the front. Okay, so I'm just put again we have to duplicate this repeated blocks, this repeated block and drag it here and put this repeated block value will be 2. It's 2. Okay, now here we have to be change some blocks and I'm putting this one block, drag it here. Now next repeated blocks again and putting this repeated block value will be 4. Okay, and now drag this one blocks is and drag here. Now next is again you have to be duplicate this repeated block and put the repeated block value will be 2. Now next is n and drag it here. I have completed my all the blocks parts, you are able to see on my screen. Okay, let's see our results. You know how where we have click on the run button. So go ahead for seeing our results, click off the run button. After clicking we have able to see our results. Scrat is moving and catching the acron. Is successfully done. We have completed our puzzle number 11. Go ahead for the puzzle number 12. So let's start it our puzzle number 12. Get to the acron any way you can. Okay, we have to be get to the acron anyway. So we will using a block way. So drag the block it here to get. Okay, put this repeated block, and putting this repeated block value will be 5, and this E block, drag it here, and again repeated blocks will be 5, and here I am putting these one blocks here. Okay, it's done. So let's see your results. As you know, click on this run button. I think yes, it's done. We have finished our lesson number 6 here, loops with the Scrat. I hope you enjoying and you understanding my video. So see you soon. Thank you so much for watching us. See you soon.